Veganizing your favorite meals is one of the keys to a plant-based lifestyle. Today, I am making gluten-free and vegan gumbo, one of my favorite traditions. I'm using diced onions, shallots, okra, and tomatoes. And for my crab meat, I'm using jackfruit, hearts of palms, as well as artichoke quarters. And we cannot forget the amazing garlic. I also have vegan bouillon as well as onion powder and various other spices to add to my dish. I'm using Beyond sausage and hot Italian, and you're going to need 3 packages of those. We're going to start with olive oil, and then we're going to add our onion and our tomato, and we are going to add our okra, which is the thickening agent. We're just going to mix together and then prep our garlic. We're going to add all that yummy garlic to the pot, and our artichoke hearts and our jackfruit and our vegan bouillon. Mix, simmer, and let it break down. Oh my goodness, look at that. The easiest way to cut your Beyond sausage is halfway frozen. And then you're also going to cut into quarters your hearts of palm. This adds a nice different texture. Add your liquid and your spices. Mix, simmer, and voila. Oh my goodness. You can have this gumbo over rice or quinoa or your favorite grain. I am telling you, it is amazing.